Hello, welcome. Welcome to this special session on descriptive, targeted towards the upcoming SBI PO mains and IBPS PO mains exam. Obviously, though these are the two major exams that we are targeting for in this particular lecture, but this lecture would be useful for anyone who is attempting a paper which has descriptive section and which will have essay writing in it. Okay, right? So what is today's agenda? As you must have seen it in the title also, that in today's lecture we have a very specific agenda, and that is to write an essay within 10 minutes, right? That's the agenda. Now, why this time factor? Because simply put, in our descriptive writing activity, we have a time limitation. So we get 30 minutes for two activities. And in that 30 minutes, assuming that we are well organized, still we will be left with only 25 minutes to write on both the activities, because 4 to 5 minutes gets at least invested in moving from one topic to another topic, moving from the previous section to here, right? Those things happen, even for submitting, before submitting, the checks that you need to do for those. So 5 minutes should always be kept in your reserve. Now, then how much time are we left for essay and letter, assuming essays and letters are what is going to come? You would be able to give at the max 15 minutes to essay and at the max 10 minutes to letter. So therefore, we should be practiced enough to be done with our essay writing within 15 minutes, right? And that is why today I thought, let's have the time factor inside our session, so that it helps you to plan your essay writing activity in such a way so that you are able to do it within 10 minutes, writing the essay within 10 minutes. Okay, right. So what would be the steps in which we will do it? First, we will revise the steps of essay writing very fast. Then we will take the topic, and after we have taken the topic, we will list the content of the topic, and for that we will use our I Get Helps analysis methodology. I hope all of you have gone through our descriptive playlist, then you would know what I Get Helps is. If you have not, after today's lecture, do go through the descriptive playlist, because there you would get a list of very important lectures which would aid you in the process of the descriptive writing activities. And finally, the main written piece, that is transforming the content that we have in our mind into essay, right? And for which should be done within 10 minutes. Okay, so we'll first very fast go through the revision of the steps of essay writing, which we have already done in one of our previous lectures. So to know in detail about these steps, go through that lecture. Here we would revise it very fast. So let me make myself scarce from the screen, and these are our steps of essay writing. First, we read the topic and identify the keywords. Then we do a T analysis of the topic, and in T analysis, what do we do? I Get Helps and keyword analysis, which we'll come to in a moment. Right, in IBC format, then we will have an introduction, we'll have a body and a conclusion, and we'll encapsulate points while writing. And for that, I have taught you prep and ERP in my previous lectures. Go and attend those lectures. Okay. So with that, we will take our today's topic. Let's dive in with today's topic. Write an essay in 300 words on the topic below. Now, why did I take 300 words? Very simple, that within 300 words, if we are able to write it within 10 minutes, then you would be expected to write on 200 words or 250 words at the max. So if I am able to write it 300 plus words in 10 minutes, then you will be able to do it for 250 words within 10 minutes too, right? So that's why I took a more challenging job for myself, so that for you it becomes an easier thing to do. So what is the topic? Let's look at the topic. In 21st century, AI is going to do what machines did in the last 2 centuries. Comment. Now, I've taken this topic as a variation to one of the topics that I gave you in the list of topics last week, which I shared with you. So in the descriptive writing list of topics I shared with you last week, I gave an AI and machine wala topic. I took a variation of that topic so that you are able to write on that topic which I have given an easier way now. So first of all, what do we need to do? We need to identify the keywords. So what are the keywords? These are the 4 keywords. 21st century, right? AI and machines and last 2 centuries. And in that also, if you see, these are the 2 main keywords. If I have to say which are the main keywords, my dear friend, these are the 2 main keywords, and obviously 21st century and the next 2 centuries are the additional helping keywords, you can say, right? So first we need to build up content on it. And what did I say? Keyword and iGetHelps together make T analysis, and that would help us to build content. So I have got the keywords. Now on the basis of these keywords, I will do a iGetHelps. Now what is iGetHelps? iGetHelps is to compartmentalize the topic into different areas. So international, geographic, economic, environmental. Yes, because we compartmentalize, our job becomes easier. So what came to my mind? International industrial revolution came to my mind, IT revolution came to my mind, because these are international phenomenon, right? Then for geographical, I did not remember anything that I can relate it to this keywords. Then environmental, no points found. Again, nothing that I could find which would relate to machines or AI. Obviously, if I had thought more, then I could have got, but I had 2 minutes time only to think about it. So I did not give that much importance to it, because I knew that in technological, in other areas, I would get a lot of points. Technological, for machines, if you look at pulley, lever, fans, refrigerator, robots, etc. came to my mind, I noted them down. These made our life easier. Employments were replaced, new employments were created, old employments went out. This also came to my mind. Then for AI, what came to my mind was Google Assistant, Alexa, self-driving cars, Google Translate, Lenskart, then Shah Rukh Khan's Cadbury ad, then Amazon's recommendation, what to buy, what not to buy. So all of these things came in a hodgepodge way in my mind, and I noted them down. Right. See, you do not have a lot of time to make sentences while you are listing down the content points. You will make sentences inside the essay, and that I would show to you. But these points has to be listed, not because if you do not list these points, how would you know what to write on? Historical. Now, when I thought about historical, human beings have always been creators. We create new things either for comfort or for conquering fears, for different purpose, but we create a lot. Then came economical. The next E is for economical. Now, economical, new businesses, new skills, job losses, all of these are economical aspects of new technological changes. Then legal. Should machines be given human intelligence, then what about their rights? So that came to my mind, and I just noted it down. Political. Now, you know that fears of job loss is a popular poll topic, and fear of job loss for a technological change is always a poll topic for all politicians. So that came to my mind. I noted it down. The social approach towards it is that when the society progresses with new technological advancements, society becomes different from what it had been 50 years back, because new things have come out, right? Okay, so these 6-7 things came to my mind. Now I'll have to write a 300-word essay on it. I don't know, how would I be framing the sentences, because that would happen with you now here, right? But I know this much, that these points are enough to write a 500-word passage. Okay, so a 300-word essay would never be a problem. As a matter of fact, for a 200-250-word essay, you need only 2 to 3 main points. For 300-word, another 1 or 2 points extra, 4 to 5 points at the max. And you would see, I'll take this point and put it in the note sheet in the next slide while typing. Now then you would see whether I use all of them or whether I use some of them, right? You would see that. So let's move on to the next slide, where I do the actual typing job. Okay, first I would give the list of the content that I had created. These are the list of the content that I had created. Now this would be in front of me and then I would start typing. So let me start. IBC structure, introduction, body and conclusion. So I had so many points from which with what should I start? I would have to start with something general, and when I look at it, the general point is in international wala area, see this one, and the historical wala area. So I thought that let me start with the historical wala angle. Okay, chalo, let me start. Human beings are one of the few species on earth who can create. Okay, this is the simple one-liner to start with, and I took that from historical. And why we create? We create for many purposes. For comfort, okay, for conquering fears, these are the things that I had already listed. For achieving the impossible, okay, right, etc. Then machines have played. Now I would introduce the topic. I mean, I'll have to come to machine and AI, na? So let me start with machines have played an integral role in our endeavor of creation. So I started with creation and then I introduced machine. There also let me add something, especially in the last 2 centuries, right? Because the topic had this last 2 centuries wala part. Similarly, AI is also expected to play an important role. I'll have to introduce important role in the upcoming years. So I have introduced machine as well as AI. Now what do I need to do in the topic? In the topic I'll have to compare. Now to compare, very simple sentences, don't think too much. Now to compare machines, this is our job, machines and AI, we will have to understand what they do. Okay, right. Acha, in the first one, rather than AI, let's write artificial intelligence, because it's the first time I am using this word, so let's not use short form. Okay. So this is my intro done. A very simple, straightforward intro. No embellishment done here. Okay. Now we will move on to the next para. I'll start with the body. First, we will have to compare machines and AI. So for that, first we will have to understand what they do. So which are the points that would help me understand what they do? One was the the technological wala part, machines, pulley, lever, fan. This is what they do, na? Right. So let's do that. Simple machines like levers. These are simple machines. Levers and pulleys reduced human effort in getting a mechanical job done. Now I'm just thinking what should I write, and I'm writing it, because and these are very simple sentences which any one of you can write. Okay, I'll just increase the font size a little, yeah, this would be fine, or a little lesser. Okay, now so what do lever pulley do? They make job easier for us. Okay, then electric machines, because the next in our list was fridge and fans. All of these are electric machines. Now electric machines like fans, refrigerators, TV, anything that you want, etc., have made our life more comfortable. Okay. Then what were the next things? Robots, है ना? Robots. So more recently, robots are recent phenomenon. So more recently, sophisticated new machines like robots, okay, and hardware. I mean, this is something that came to my mind now. Hardware automation, that is semi-robotic machines. Okay, hardware automation machines. See, if these things come to your mind, you'd write it. If not, you don't write it. So when I just wrote robot, it came to my mind hardware automatic machines. So I wrote it: have made high time and labor consuming processes easily possible. That's what they have done now. Before robots, before hardware automation, the processes which would take months and years now are done in days. Okay. So we can say that advent of machines has mostly made life easier and comfortable, right? We can say that. Here I would also add up that economical wala factor, job loss wala, but I would write it in a positive way and have replaced, what do I write? Have replaced, labor in some form. That would be better, है ना? Labor in some form. So I want to give it a positive lookout, because that's how I look at it anyways. So I would write it in a way that the labors are replaced, jobs are lost but new jobs are created, which is my economical point also. Okay, and I would explain this also in the next line, that you remember industrial revolution, IT revolution in the international point. Now these were times where mass scale unemployment would happen, was feared. So fears that industrial and IT revolution. So in industrial revolution, labor was to be replaced, and in IT revolution, clerical staff were to be replaced. But did it happen to the tune that we were afraid of? It did not. New skills replaced the old ones. That's what happened. So let's write that: fears that industrial and IT revolution would lead to mass scale labor and clerical unemployment respectively, because both were different, respectively, have remained unfounded, unfulfilled. Okay, you can also write unfounded, unfulfilled, because, or unfounded. Let us write unfounded. Unfounded is a better word for this situation. Because why? Because new jobs were created requiring new skills, requiring new skills were created. Okay, right? Okay. So this is how I organized my second para. I talked about machines. Now in the third para, I will now talk about the artificial intelligence. Okay, we have a lot of example for that also. So let's write on artificial intelligence now. So what will the points we'll take? We'll take the add wala point, Google Assistant, Alexa. We'll have to take all these points now. But how do we start? Now we will start by defining artificial intelligence. Now what is artificial intelligence? We have already written artificial intelligence. We'll write AI. On the other hand, okay, refers, or why on the other hand? We have just AI refers to the ability. See, while writing only, you would realize that what you are writing might not be required. You would change it. That would happen, and that is a part of the job. Ability of the machines to perform human intelligence process, because that's what AI does now. Human intelligence processes like thinking, decision making, problem solving, etc. These are the kind of things that AI does. See, if machines were for physical work, AI is for mental work. Okay, and mental also intelligent work. Mental work, the computers also do it, but intelligent work. Okay. It is not a new field, because in robotics also earlier it was used, but in a limited way. But recently AI applications have ventured into areas which were not earlier done by AI, or rather we will say sophisticated function, ventured into sophisticated functions. Okay. Now I'll put the examples. Google Assistant, the examples are in front of me. Alexa, self-driving cars, Google Translate, etc. are all applications of AI, right? Okay. Then today, then we'll talk about the other examples, the application examples. AI has made, specific example, because see, when you give specific example from, Lenskart, Amazon, the examiner would feel that you are a person who is aware of stuff. Okay. So today AI has made possible for Lenskart to give virtual, what does Lenskart do? Virtual frame trial. You must have seen it. Those who have specs, they know. These are all examples that I have seen as a user, as a customer, and I have just put it, right? This is not something that I've got from reading newspapers. This is just what I have experienced as a customer, and I have put it in there. Then the Cadbury one, Cadbury ad to make a localized Shah Rukh Khan ad in Diwali. You remember Shah Rukh Khan ad on Diwali. And for Amazon and Flipkart to give you personalized shopping recommendations. Okay, right? Okay, so now all the examples are done. Ek ke baad ek, I have put the examples. I have not waited for how would I frame the example. No, the way they have come to my mind, I have put them in here just in a form of sentences. That's what you need to do. The points have to be framed in a form of sentences. Now, just like machines, these innovations have made our life more comfortable and in many areas replaced some earlier forms of, I've just repeated the line from the last one in a different way. Human labor is being replaced. The word is replace here. Okay, so I have given machines now, I have given AI now, and I have compared to an extent both of them. Now I would give a summary and a conclusion. So, though their nature may differ, their nature obviously differ, both machines and AI would do the same thing, making human life easier and comfortable. Now I'll end it. How would I end it? I would end it with the easier and comfortable part I have summarized. Now another part was new jobs and the jobs being replaced. Okay, so let me write on that also. Some forms of current jobs would be lost, but new jobs would be created. So a person who updates his or her skills, in the last line I am giving a gyan, always be the beneficiary, because I have to end somewhere. So while writing, when I thought that some forms of current jobs would be lost, then I thought that I should end it in such a way that anyone who updates his skills would be in an advantage. Okay. Yeah. Now see this. Now you can read this. My time is up. I have written it. I was speaking the whole time, but still more or less I was able to do it. This is a 300 word plus essay. Let me see how much it would be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 240, 11, 12, So that would be around 300, and 1 2 3 4 4 half, so 324 kind of, so 325 kind of this would be, है ना. So 325 words, and that too within 10 minutes I was able to write 2-3 minutes of manthan of content creation, right. So if you have to write on 200 words, ठीक है, your typing speed might be lesser, because still you will be able to manage it to write within 10 minutes or not. Huh? My dear friends, see this? So let me come on the screen here. Okay. See, this is how you create an essay. Here you might ask, sir, but we need to write an extraordinary essay. No, my dear friends, it's a professional writing exercise. You don't need to write an extraordinary essay. You need to write a good essay without error, right? And this is a good essay without error. So the points and the relevant things have been covered. It is easy to read, easy to understand. So all the areas or all the points that should be ticked for an essay which would fetch you good marks are here in this essay. And that's what you need. Pass, right? So I'll move out from the screen. Let me and you together go through the essay. Human beings are one of the few species on earth who can create. So we introduced human beings are those who can create, because I thought that I'll have to bring machines somewhere. Now, so from creation, I bought machines. We create for many purposes: for comfort, for conquering fears, for achieving impossible. Machines have played an integral role in our endeavor of creation, especially in the last 2 centuries. Similarly, AI is also expected to play an important role in the upcoming years. Now, to compare machines and AI, we will have to understand what they do. Simple, straightforward introduction. Simple machines like levers, pulleys reduced human effort in getting a mechanical job done. Electric machines like fans, refrigerators have made our life more comfortable. More recently, sophisticated new machines like robots and hardware automation have made high time and labor consuming processes easily possible. Right. So advent of machines have mostly made life easier and comfortable and have replaced labor in some form. Fears that industrial and IT revolution would lead to mass scale labor and clerical unemployment respectively have remained unfounded, because new jobs requiring new skills were created. Right. So machine, what they did and what happened, what was the effect due to that, I wrote it down. AI refers to the ability of the machines to perform human intelligence processes like thinking, decision making, problem solving. It's not a new field, but recently AI applications have ventured into sophisticated functions. Google Assistant, Alexa, self-driving cars, Google Translate are all application of AI. Today, AI has made possible for Lenskart to give virtual frame trial, for Cadbury to make a localized Shah Rukh Khan ad on Diwali, and for Amazon and Flipkart to give you personalized shopping recommendation. Now, just like machines, these innovations this is why second reading is important. See, innovation spelling is wrong. So I'll just go on to the innovation part and I will change it. Innovations have made our life more comfortable and in many areas replaced some earlier forms of human labor. So though nature may differ, both machines and AI would do the same thing, making human life easier and comfortable. Some forms of current jobs would be lost, but new jobs would be created. So a person who updates his or her skill will always be the beneficiary. Simple and done. Now see, which are the points that we used? We used in some part this one, we used the full of this one, we used this one. Okay, we did not use this one, but we used this part. This part we did not use, right? This part we did not use. Okay, we had these points, but we did not use. Why? Because we did not need them. And this part we also did not use. Some part we use, comfortable wala part we use, but that was there somewhere else earlier also. So if you see, 3 to 4 points out of 8 we used. Only 3 to 4 points, and we wrote a 320 plus essay. So what do you think? 300 plus words I could write in 10 minutes. I could type in 10 minutes, right? Approximately. And you would have to do at least 20% lesser. You'll have to do 20% lesser. So is it possible? I think it is definitely possible. Only remember the KISS strategy. You remember KISS we discussed in one of our previous lectures? Keep it simple and straightforward. then only you will be able to manage your time in the most optimum way in this descriptive section. Okay, right? And I proved that to you, na? So 2 to 3 minutes for content creation and 9 to 10 minutes for writing. Your job is done. And you have enough time to go through, revise also, because see, revision was important. I made a spelling mistake there, so 2 to 3 minutes to revise, so that if there is any spelling or grammatical mistake, we will not change the essay, then we will just check the spelling and the grammatical mistakes, but that's it. Okay, and your job is done. So this way you can optimize your efforts in descriptive section and maximize your scores. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. So that would be all for the day. Thank you very much and all the best.